Okay, this is video 1-6, Compound Inequalities, Part 4. So in example 4, we're going to solve problems involving compound inequalities, like word problems. So Enrique plans a diet for his dog, River. River consumes between 510 and 540 calories per day. If River eats 1.5 servings of dog food each day, how many treats can she have? So in this particular problem, we are looking at letting X represent the number of treats she can have. We do know that 1.5 servings of food that she's having at 320 calories per serving. So we're going to have to calculate the full calories for that. Plus, she's getting an X amount of treats that are 15 calories each, but she has to stay within the 510 and 540 calories per day. So let's go ahead up and set up an inequality here. I'm going to do a little bit of math over here. So if we have 1.5 servings times 320 calories per serving, if we multiply that out, that gives us 480 calories that River gets just from her regular food. Plus, she gets X amount of treats that are 15 calories each. So we're going to say this part here equals 480 calories plus 15 calories times X amount of treats, and we don't know how many she gets. We do know that the 480 calories she's already consuming plus the treats, this has to be at least equal to 510 calories, but no more and up to 540 calories. So this is the minimum calories River can consume in a day, and this is the maximum calories that River can consume in a day. So this is like a compound inequality. We're going to go ahead and solve it simultaneously here. Let me switch to this color. Okay, so I want to get the X variable by itself. So I'm going to subtract 480 from here, which means I have to subtract it from this side also. And remember, when we look at the inequality, we have this inequality here, but we also have this inequality here. So we're going to kind of solve it all in one full step. So that's going to cancel this part out here. 510 minus 480 is 30. And I'm going to bring down the less than or equal to symbol. In the middle, we only have 15x left, which is less than or equal to the difference of 540 and 480. So if I subtract those, we get 60. And to get x by itself, I see it has a coefficient of 15. So we're going to divide it out on both sides. 30 divided by 15 is 2. Therefore, 2 is going to be less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to. 60 divided by 15 is 4. What does this solution mean? The solution is 2 is less than or equal to x, and then it's less than or equal to 4. If we're looking at the number of treats River could have between 2 to 4 treats a day, so that she's consuming between 510 and 540 calories per day. Okay, the try it River. Suppose River has new treats. This time the treats are 10 calories each instead of 15. How many new treats can she have and remain in her calorie range? So we're going to use the equation we had up here. but instead of 15 calories per treat, we know it's 10. So let me go ahead and help you set that up. She still has to be between 510 calories and 540. So we're still going to keep that part the same. She's still eating her serve it in a half, which is 480 calories, but this time it's plus 10x. So go ahead and use example 4 to help you with your try it.